Paul, unahin kita.
Yeah.
Sa'yo, sinong mas may advantage? Yung dating star player o dating role player?
Siguro yung sa akin, yung opinion ko, yung role player. Kasi yun nga pag ako naranasan ko yan, nasa PBA ako, na role player ang dating ko So most of the time, nandun ako sa bench. So kung ako ang aanuhin ko, mas naintindihan ng role player yung observation dun sa pagko-coach ng coach, yung mga sinasabi niya sa bench players niya, yung mga star players niya. So nakakapulot kami. Right now, maiisip mo yun yung gagawin ko pag nag-coach ako
Oh, and then also, parang if you're a role player, you believe na you're more aware of the coach's instructions? Bakit?
Yes, kasi nga parati mo siyang katabi. So most of the time, katabi mo siya. So ako na mismo, kunyari, naririnig ko yung instruction ni Coach Ryan, kunwari, ako na nagre-relay sa kanila pag nasa loob.
Point guard ka pa.
Point guard din ako, that's right. Tapos, meron kaming ina-assess namin lalo yung outcome of the game. Kunyari, fast-paced yung game, alam namin yun dahil sinasabi ng coach namin yun bagalan natin yung kalaban natin masyado mabilis, ganun. So, may advantage talaga yung role player.
Because as a star player, you're so busy scoring and carrying the team na wala ka ng time or energy to, focus on these other things. Wesley, ikaw, para sa'yo, who has the advantage in becoming a winning coach? The former star player, former role player?
Former role player, for me. Kasi, yun nga parang, as Paul said, parang mas marami kang time to observe from the outside. Miski nandun ka sa loob ng team, you're still watching your teammates play. So, yung time mo dun sa bench, parang yun dun nagiging fruitful, or parang you see the bigger picture of of the game. Kasi parang you're one step away from the game. You're not playing. So, yung oras mo, para mas na-appreciate mo yung game as a whole. So,
I'm intrigued by your second reason kasi sasabihin mo ngayon na mas marami kang time pag role player ka to be curious about being a coach, about managing a team, ganyan. Ano ba kasi nga dahil mong time mag-isip doon sa bench.
Yun parang kasi parang kung parang superstar ka, parang you're really focused on the game itself, na parang how do I become a better player, so parang kung parang paggagalingan year in, year out. Pero pag role player ka, parang medyo, parang kailangan ko isipin yung options ko Parang gano'n Diba? Parang isipin yung options mo. Parang, ano bang, ano ba ako? Makakapirma ba ako the next contract or hindi? So parang, ano ba yung next step ko?
So nag-iisip ka ng mga ibang paraan to stay in the game.
Yes.
Something like that. And then for you, may extra motivation ang dala ang former role player. Ano yung extra motivation na yan?
Well, kasi siyempre parang, as a player, parang meron kang standards na gusto mong maabot when you were playing. Pero kung hindi mo naabot yun, parang the next level or next, let's say, coaching pagdating mo dun sa coaching, parang, since hindi ako masyadong kumbaga, in my standards, hindi ko narating yung gusto ko marating. Dito naman, pagdating sa coaching, parang gusto mo, marating mo yun. So parang I think yung extra motivation in doing, or being the best, dun sa respective role mo at the time.
Okay. Thank you for watching The Score. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports YouTube channel to be updated with the latest games.